Hi, my name is Miles Bransford. I'm an astrophysics major, and welcome to the first episode of Weekly Space News. This week we'll be talking about telescopes, the International Space Station, and the potential for alien life. So let's get right into it. So by now, I'm sure a lot of you have seen these stunning images coming from the James Webb Space Telescope. Galaxies, nebulae, star clusters, you name it. But there's a new telescope making waves, the Euclid Telescope. This is Europe's latest leap into space exploration, and it's going to be imaging over a third of the entire night sky. Euclid's first image just dropped, and it is fucking huge, like 208 billion pixels huge. It captured over 14 million galaxies and around 100 million distinct sources of light. And you want to know the best part? You can zoom in. You can see stuff like this, and this. These are two galaxies interacting over 420 million light years away from us. And this is just the beginning. This is only 1% of what Euclid will capture over the next 6 years. Personally, I can't wait. Next, and on a bit more of a somber note, let's talk about the International Space Station. NASA recently announced that after more than 2 decades standing as a symbol of human collaboration in space, the ISS will be decommissioned in 2030 and deorbited in early 2031. When it does eventually come down, it'll re-enter Earth's atmosphere, get vaporized, and whatever's left will splash down into the ocean where it will probably never be seen again. I wouldn't worry though. There are already plans in place to launch private space stations. Plus, China's Tiangong space station has already been in orbit for 3 years. I mean, why mourn when you can just have more? Finally, one of my favorite topics, alien life. Since the discovery of the TRAPPIST-1 system, astronomers have been on a mission to see if any of its planets might support life. Up until now, the planets seemed too close to their star to hold stable atmospheres. But recent research from the University of Washington suggests that TRAPPIST-1e, one of these exoplanets, might have hydrogen, helium, and iron in its core, which could be reacting to form water, allowing TRAPPIST-1e to continuously replenish its atmosphere despite the intense radiation from its star. Until the James Webb Telescope conducts a spectral analysis on the TRAPPIST system, the hope for alien life remains alive. That being said, thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Space News. Stay curious, keep looking up, and I'll see y'all next week.